Hi there, Mr. Ruth. This is video D of our Google Sheets lessons. Today is a pretty simple one. It's about sorting. And, this is really where spreadsheets start to get powerful, right? One of the main reasons we use spreadsheets is for the ease of sorting data. And so let's jump in. So I'm back to my original data set. And let's say I want to sort everything in this data set based on the sodium. I've got a little high blood pressure. I'm watching my sodium, and so I want to sort it. Now, the first thing, let's go backwards a little bit to the actual original. First thing I notice is, I could go to the sodium column and click on this and sort it A to Z, but the problem here is what happens? Well, my heading, it treats kind of the header as if it was a number and it decides it's at the end of the alphabet. If you have text and you're sorting like alphabetically, it'll just throw like sodium after the S's. So after, Sokol sheets, and then it will say sodium. I think I've got my alphabetical order there wrong. So that's no good. So a couple things. If you go ahead and freeze the top row, so if I go and remember freezing rows under view and I freeze the top row, now I can go in and it's frozen. So when I go to sort this sheet, it keeps this here. So now it's actually sorted it the way I want it. Okay, it's sorted it the way I want it. Let's say, oh no, I don't want to sort by sodium. I want to sort by carbs. I can just go over here, sort A to Z. I'm like, no. I'm not looking for low carbs. I want high carbs. So I can sort Z to A. And Z to A numerically just goes from high to low, as you might expect. Okay, let's say, however, that I don't want to sort the entire spreadsheet. Let's say, for some reason, I want to just sort this column. So if I want to do that, I'll highlight the column, and I'm going to go over to data. So I'm not sorting the whole sheet. I'm just sorting a range. So if I do this, let's say I want to go low to high in Weight Watchers points, it sorted just this column. Now realize how dangerous this is. Now, the meatball marinara sub, if you come across, you think it has 0 Weight Watchers points, when of course it does not. That's because I didn't move anything else in row 6. I just moved what was in this column. So I'm, often I get worried and I undo that. Sometimes I've got some stuff over here on a sheet and some stuff over here on a sheet, and I just want to sort the stuff over here. So sort range can be useful. You can sort, multiple columns at once. Let's say I want to sort everything except this category column. So the category column will get screwed up, but let's say, I had other data there. And I want to sort by Weight Watchers points. Watch what's going to happen. Right now it says wraps, sandwiches, wraps. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and sort range, and it's making me sort by column B. So I'm going to go into advanced. I'm going to say, no. Sort by column M. I'm going to tell them I got a header row. And when I do that, you'll notice this stayed the same. Wraps, sandwiches, wraps. But everything else sorted according to Weight Watchers points. So here, these things did change, right? The items changed, but not the category. So that's some basic sorting. This is the type of thing where you got to play around with it, but you get good at it pretty quickly, and it's very useful when dealing with data.